now that we have the radio out, we can go ahead and install the VLine harness. I'm going to start with our main harness here, which is the MCF HA3. And we're going to be making our larger connection right here. That'll go to this plug. And then next, we'll move on to this smaller plug here. There we go. And you want to make sure this one clips in fully. If it doesn't, make sure you don't have any bent pins inside this connector. And then once we have both of those connected, we'll move on to our REV wire, or reverse wire. For this, we're using a P-tap, and I'll show you how we connected that. So we've stripped a little bit of the end here, and then this connector goes right over the top. Just like that. And then your top part is just going to screw on. I just want to get all the wire inside of the top part. There we go. And then we're going to tighten the bottom on. And there we go. And now we'll move on to tapping it to this plug right here. Alright, so we're going to unscrew the top here. And then this little channel in here, we're going to put our gray wire in this vehicle on the pin number 24 of the 24-pin connector. And inside your installation instructions, there's a full write-up on how to connect this wire as well. So if you have any specific questions or want to see any diagrams of it, make sure to check your installation guide. And now that we've got this connected here, we've got these connected, we can move on from this harness, the MCF HA3, and we'll move on to our other two back here.